who made it.
Welcome back, guys. I got another video. So what I wanted to do is pretty much just go over all the mods. I wasn't able to find out what everything is. So if you see something in the video that you recognize, let me know. So first and foremost, you got these here, the covers. Looks like these have been, the reflector that's usually on the front has been removed. We got the, what my buddy said was a Daymaker headlight. It is pretty bright as shit. Look like it's LEDs up here with the smoke lenses. This here, if anybody recognizes this brand or symbol or whatever, let me know. But yeah, got that part on there, so nice little touch. I don't know if that's the aftermarket or anything. The fender. Moving on back. The Chubby's bars. I'm not 100% on the length of them. I guess I can measure them. Probably about like a 14-inch bar. Got the mirrors, the little teardrop mirrors. The original Street Glide ones have been removed and then plugged up. Interfering is painted. I got the white gauges, nice contrast there. This here, of course, not stock. Made by a company called Advan Black. Very nice touch, man. Very nice touch. As you know, these are not the custom badges, or not the original badges. These are CVO badges, which I found out from researching. Because whatever bike I got, I was gonna buy them, and that was going on my bike because I think it's a nice touch. What else? The bags are the stretch bags. They do come back some here. It looks like the bags actually may poke out a little bit further than the fender, but I would have never known that had I not came back here. I don't believe this is traditional, or I don't believe this is standard on this bike, but it looks good. The seat has the lock there. Apparently people be stealing seats in Harley World. Y'all need to do better. Also, this seat here, not sure who it's made from or whatnot, but it is a very nice pattern. Have some gator on the seat. What else? As far as I know or can recognize, that's like the stuff that's different. Yeah. So Advan Black bags. The color of the bike, like I said before, Velocity red sun glow. So yeah. What else? These I'm assuming are not the factories, although they could be. So yeah, like I said, if y'all see anything that doesn't look stock, of course, it didn't come with that either. I'm gonna probably end up getting a different phone mount just because, I mean, this holds the phone well, but to get it in and out, like, it's just a little bit more work. So when I get off the bike, I don't want to have to sit there and twist it. Twisty, and get it off that way. Go from there. Yeah. Other than that, like, I mean, it's nice upgrades. I mean, and these slight subtle upgrades, I mean, they are, you know, they are what needs to be needed. What is that? Okay, yeah, so this is regular grip there. Yeah, so nice. So yeah, if you see anything in this video that I may or may not, I'm pretty sure that down there didn't come stock, so that's a nice touch as well. But everything else, I think, may be good. Maybe original. Any Harley tips that you guys and girls can share with your boy, I appreciate it, as being new on the Harley scene. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and like, comment, subscribe, and we out.